Hi everyone, and welcome to part one of our three-part tutorial on connecting Postman to Xero with Auth 2. My name is Matt, and I'm part of the API team here at Xero. In part one, we're going to simply cover steps 1 and 2 on our Postman connection guide, which will be covering installing Postman, its environment, and collection, as well as registering an app with Xero. So let's get kicking. So, first thing you need to do is actually head over to our Postman tutorial. Now to do that, you can simply click on Docs up here, Accounting, or any one of those 6 buttons actually, and then change this drop down in the top left here to Tools, then Postman. Now, really handy thing is that Postman has these lovely little collection run-in Postman buttons right here that you can make and add to your websites. So we've done one ourselves, and what this will do is if you click it, will not only install Postman, depending on whatever operating system you're on, but install the collection and environment we're going to be using today as well. So, as I'm on Windows, I'm going to click on that one. Open Postman. As I've already got it installed, my one will simply add the collection and environment, as you can see it right there. And then if you've got a completely fresh version of Postman installed, you'll see your collection over here on the left-hand side, and your environment up here on the right. Right, so that's step 1. Let's go back and check what step 2 is, and we're going to be creating an Auth 2 app here on the developer website. Now, simply to do that, once you've been over here and clicked this lovely button, you're going to be clicking the My Apps button in the top banner there, logging in to your developer account and adding your authentication code if you have one. Let's log in. Fantastic. And if you already have a couple of apps already, you'll be able to see them there. But if you need to create a brand new Auth 2 app, just click this new app button up here in the top right hand corner. Or if you have no apps already at all, you'll have a lovely little splash screen right here saying create a brand new app with that button down here as well as being up here in the top right. But let's just create that new app. Now I'm going to be very boring and just name Matt's Auth 2 Postman, well, Matt's app, let's call it that instead. Now, company or application URL, this is typically your marketing website. So for me, I'm just going to use developer.xero.com. Privacy policy, again, as this is optional, this is usually just a privacy policy on your marketing website. So developer.xero.com/privacy in our case. However, I'm not going to enter anything into there today. And then there'll be the redirect URI. Now, the redirect URI has to either be an HTTPS site or localhost. It can't be anything else. So today, I'm just going to use developer.xero.com again. There we go. Once you've done that, I'm going to tick I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions and create my app. There we go. And that is all for part 1 of the 3-part tutorial. Stick around for part 2. We'll be showing you how to enter these details you just created on this app into Postman. Cheers!